welcome back. This is Jana here. Today we're going to make a recipe to celebrate the beginning of spring because summer is around the corner and we now need those refreshing, nice, quick kind of food. In this case, it's going to be a pasta salad, pesto pasta salad. What can it be more like? You say pesto pasta salad, like delicious, very summery, very refreshing, very nice. By no means I'm saying that this is the original, because this is my take on the pesto. Everyone has a different way of making the same food because none of us is inventing the wheel. We're just finding different ways of describing it. And that being said, I'm going to start with the fusilli pasta. I like fusilli better because the sauce gets trapped between the curls of the fusilli and then it makes it even more moist and yummy. And I'm going to make my own pesto here for you guys. Easy, like ridiculous. You get some nice organic basil. You can add a little bit of the stalks, not so much. And if it has flowers, that's even better. In the blender or on a food processor. But something that you can control the speed, because if you beat it too much, it gets like it gets almost like a uniform paste. I want to be able to see the if you hear a little bell going around, it's JJ, the new kitty that we've just adopted. Just like his brother and sister, he loves to be around when we're cooking. Hear that? So I think that it's nice to save the small little leaves for garnishing. One of you guys said, please, Jana, stop saying decoration, it's garnishing. I know, it just slips. JJ, behave. Try not to break anything. He's so cute. Okay, here we're going to add the best olive oil you can get your hands off. But I want the olive oil to be the ones that you can use for raw cooking. Raw cooking, yeah, it doesn't make much sense, but you know what I mean. Not the ones that are proper for cooking. You eyeball it. You don't want to like soak it in oil. A little bit of garlic powder. You can add a garlic if you prefer. I'm lately not agreeing so much with raw garlic. Salt. You can add the vegan Parmesan cheese that we made in the other episode. You click there. But I don't have any, so I'm not going to bother. I'm going to just mix that through. And I know you're going to say that this is not the original pesto. I don't care. I'm still making it because this is a democracy. And black pepper. I like a lot of freshly ground black pepper. So, there you go. And now you just blend it through. Always pulsing, because like I said, I want to be able to see the bits and pieces of the leaves here. Alright, this is good enough for me. Now, very easy, we're going to mix that with the fusilli, like so. You have some cherry tomatoes. It's going to add a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of color. This is it, good enough. And I bought the other day some vegan feta cheese. If you don't have vegan feta cheese, you can add any other cube cheese as long as it's vegan, of course. I'm not gonna even stress that because all vegan here. Or it can be also a little bit of tofu. You can cube the tofu very finely, like that, very small. Leave them marinating in some herbs and olive oil overnight in the fridge. And then the next day, you have this infused tofu. It's really, really good. I've made that before. And there you go. And then you mix it through again. A little bit of those beautiful leaves here for the garnishing. And we are done. This is the perfect food that you can take for somebody else's house for a brunch, or you can have that by the pool, or you can take that for a picnic or for having by the beach. It's like a very versatile. It's wonderful the next day because you have all the flavors already mixed through even more. So what are you waiting for? Just make it. Guys, this is it for today, but of course I'm going to try. You know how freakish I am. Ah, this is summer in a bowl. This is summer in a bowl. This reminds me so much of Brazil because there's a restaurant in Brazil that they make this, and my son is completely addicted to it. So ever since he was growing up, we used to go to this restaurant and he was like eating all that. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This is it for today. Thanks for spending time with me. I loved spending time with you as always. Thanks for all the comments and thanks for all the feedback. I love reading from you guys. I think that I learn a lot. It's important to me because it makes me grow, so keep them coming. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, the whole enchilada, and have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.